So today we're doing equivalent fractions. And our first problem is 6/8 and equals 3/4. But wait, do you see this? Right over here? This is called the dictionary. It has everything that we need to know for this fraction part and section. So we may come back and refer to this. So 6/8 equals 3/4 because 6/8 equals 3/4. Now, how do we get 8 down to 4 and 6 to 3? Well, first you have to do the denominator, which is the bottom number because of our dictionary. So, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So, you do the numerator too. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So that's why it gives you 3/4, which makes this true. Now let's go to number 2. 18 and 15/18 equals 18 and 5/6. Well, the reason I said 18 and is because it's just like having 18 points your decimal. So that's pretty much you're just thinking of the decimal right here. But anyways, now let's solve the problem. Make sure it's correct. I'm going to get rid of the 18 and I'm going to add them back in for my solution. 15/18 equals 5/6. So, we're going to start with the denominator. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So you do the same thing to the numerator. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Which makes this answer 5/6. But to be correct, it equals 18 and 5/6. Just like this one right here. And there's that problem. Okay. So, alright, let's do our next problem. This one doesn't have a solution. So, what we're going to have to do is just get rid of the 3 for now. 25/30 equals blank. So we had to find the greatest common factor, which, if we go back to our dictionary, is the greatest common factor is the largest of the common factors of 2 or more numbers. So, we have to, let's see, what can go into 25 and what can go into 30? 1. 25 you can have 5, and 25. And 30 you can have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10, and 15, and 30. So, if you look at this, they have 1, but that would be one of the lower ones. So, our next, if we go any higher, would be 5. So we're going to divide each, the numerator and the denominator, by 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So our answer is, well, we have to add the 3 back. So 3 and 5, 6. Which is equal to 3 and 25/30. Let's go to our next problem. 18/8 equals blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Let me make sure I said. So we're going to try to make this a whole. How many? So 8 goes into 18 one time, right? Or no, I'm wrong. 2 times. It goes 16, so 2. So it goes in 2 times. So we're going to have 2 and 2/8. So really it's going to turn into 2 and 2/8. Because we had 2 left over after 8. So let's do 8 times 2 equals 16. 18 minus 16 equals 2. So that gives you your extra, so you can have 2/8. And this gives you your 2. So 2 and 2/8 equals. So what's the so let's get rid of the 2. So right now, and what's the greatest common factor for 8? We can go to 1 and 2. 8 can have 1, 2. Wait, we can stop there because 2 and 2. Because 2 is how far you can go up to. So you divide 8 by 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So it equals, let's premiere the 2, 2 and 1/4. Ta-da! Now the last problem in this section is 2 and 36/8. So we have to do the same thing that we did in the last problem, because the numerator is bigger than the denominator, because I'm saying numerator because it's the top. So numerator divided by denominator is larger. So 36 divided by 8. 8's not going to 3, but 8 times 4 equals 32. 36 minus 32 equals 4. So you're going to have, so this is going to turn into a 6 because you just added, so 2 plus 4 equals 6. So we're going to have 6 and 4/8, which is also known as 6 1/2. But let's just do 6 and 4/8. So let's get rid of the 6, and let's just do 4/8 equals blank. Well, 4's greatest common factors and 8's greatest common factors. 1, 2, and 4. And 8's is 1, 2, 4. Oh, stop. We found our greatest common factor. Divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So we come back to this answer. So that one made sense. And some of you might have been able to spot that out right away, like me, because you found 6 and 4/8 equals. 6 and 4/8 equals 6 1/2. Because if you had, let's say you had 4 slices of pizza out of 8. So 1.
There's a number that'll go into 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you have 8 slices of pizza. You have 4. So let's cover this up. Wait. You have all of these pieces. So what's left? Half of the pizza. So I guess that's all there is for this video.